Been 7,800 a piece on them.
Whoa. So you're
at a half on.
Okay. You're after rise. Got it. Nice.
We never clamped the ride. I mean, to see what
Yeah.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
What's up, man?
How are you?
Great, Jacob.
Can you get a minute?
Yep.
That way you can
Yes.
what it is. What you do.
Okay.
Then go look at that.
Oh yeah, man.
I
We'll
just signed it and you gave me a demo.
Yeah, man. All right. Sound good. I'll check it out. How you doing, man? I'm just checking out the build. Can I get in? Awesome. Nice. Oh, wow. That's different. Is this like a 2-to-1 sixth order? What is your ratio?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Cody Hubbard, my buddy, built it for me.
Yes, sir. I was just kind of figuring out the ratio of it, the way you have your baffle set up.
Yeah.
This is different. It's pretty cool.
I think it's 1.5 at the bottom for a sub.
Yes, sir.
But I'm not sure about the
Okay.
top level.
That looks good. Nice rounded.
They did a good job on
Wow.
it, for sure.
So, what are these Sundown?
They the ZZ4 retros.
Okay. Sweet. What's your power?
I'm running 3 5500 Cosmos.
Okay.
Clamping 7,800 a piece on them.
Whoa. So you're
At
are you in
at a half on.
Okay. You're after rise. Got it. Nice.
We never clamped the ride. I mean, to see what
Yeah.
the rise was.
Looks really good. What are you frequency wise on your tunings? How are you feeling on it?
As far as what it plays with,
Yeah.
it'll play down to 20 to 55
Okay.
with ease.
Nice.
Very musical.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yes, sir. Can I hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Looks good. And what about your battery and alternator power?
I got 320 brand X.
Okay.
Just running my C-Max 120 amp hour bank.
All right.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Quick little commentary I like to do. So I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Really great job. He showcased the whole system we got to see. This is at the 2021 show Ruckus and Chill in Fayetteville, North Carolina, is where we actually got to record this system. So I'm going to be able to see how it sounds after this. So two things real quick. First thing is, go ahead and comment if you haven't already. Let him know what you think about the system. Say something positive. I personally like the way he has the LED system. He did a really good job showcasing it to where when you look in, it doesn't look dark and gloomy. It looks really nice. So be sure to comment and let him know what you think about the system. In the back, really powerful amplifiers. He said he clamped over 7,800 watts out of these on a BURP. Really impressive. They're rated at 5,500 watts RMS at probably 12 volt range, but triple inputs. So really powerful amps on these subs. And they're running at half ohm per set. See what was saying. So the retro 12-inch Sundowns, if anybody didn't hear that. I know it's hard to hear sometimes. So 6th order bandpass enclosure. That rear port in the back makes it the 6th order. I like to mention that in the commentary. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and get to the demo.
kids. The same glow. Same dough. My ATM, you heard me sleeping in the best. Take a chance.
And them all kids. The same glow. The same dough. We the same test. You my area. You have me sleeping in this. And them all kids. Same glow.
Definitely, yeah. The way the 6th order is designed here, definitely you can tell they're good bandwidth. So. Thank you very much for the demo. Yes, sir. Good job. You have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.